I'm excited to share my knowledge about stocks and how they work. I'm a firm believer that anyone can learn about and invest in stocks, regardless of their age or background. I'll be sharing everything I know about stocks, from the basics of what they are and how they work, to more advanced concepts like stock valuation and portfolio management. I hope you find this information helpful and that it inspires you to start investing in stocks. What are stocks? Stocks are a type of investment that represents ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you are technically a part owner of the company. There are two main types of stocks, common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are the most popular type of stock and they entitle the shareholder to vote on corporate matters, receive dividends, and potentially share in the company's profits or losses. Preferred stocks are a less common type of stock, but they often offer greater benefits than common stocks. For example, preferred shareholders may have priority over common shareholders when it comes to receiving dividends or getting paid out in the event of a company liquidation. How do stocks work? When a company wants to raise money, they can do so by selling stocks. This is known as an initial public offering. Companies will usually hire an investment bank to help them with the IPO process. The investment bank will help set the price of the stock and then work to sell the stock to investors. Once the IPO is complete, the company's stock will begin trading on a stock exchange. The price of the stock will fluctuate based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy the stock than sell it, the price will go up. If more people want to sell the stock than buy it, the price will go down. Why do people invest in stocks? There are many reasons why people might invest in stocks. Some people invest for the long term, hoping to sell their shares for more money down the road. Others invest for the short term, looking to make quick profits by buying and selling stocks rapidly. Many people also invest in stocks as a way to diversify their investment portfolio. This means that they spread their money across different investments, so that they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. What are the risks of investing in stocks? Like any investment, there are risks involved with investing in stocks. The most obvious risk is that the stock price could go down, which would mean that you would lose money. There's also the risk that the company whose stock you own could go bankrupt. This would mean that you would lose your entire investment. Another risk to consider is that the stock market is volatile, which means that prices can go up and down a lot in a short period of time. This can be a good thing if you sell when the price is high or a bad thing if you need to sell when the price is low. How can I learn more about stocks? If you're interested in learning more about stocks, there are a few things you can do. First, you can watch my videos and read books or articles about investing. This can give you a general overview of how stocks work and some of the different concepts involved. Second, you can talk to someone who already invests in stocks. This could be a friend, family member, or financial advisor. They can give you first-hand advice about what it's like to invest in stocks. Third, you can open up a brokerage account and start trading stocks yourself. This is a great way to get experience and learn more about how the stock market works. What are some things to consider before investing in stocks? Before you start investing in stocks, there are a few things you should consider. First, you need to decide what your investment goals are. Are you investing for the long term or the short term? Second, you need to decide how much risk you're willing to take. The more risk you're willing to take, the more potential for reward but also the more potential for loss. Third, you need to research the different types of stocks and find the ones that fit your investment goals and risk tolerance. Fourth, you need to open up a brokerage account and fund it with enough money to cover the cost of your desired stocks. Fifth, you need to develop a stock buying strategy. This will help you make smart and informed decisions about when to buy and sell stocks. Finally, you need to monitor your stocks and your brokerage account on a regular basis. This will help you spot any problems early and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money over time. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and to make sure